In this video we're going to take a look at how we can edit cross-section data and also amend codes. So if we open up just a standard cross-section, you can see here we've got around the outside of this cross-section we've got the elevation and we've got the chainage going across the cross-section. If we pan out, you can see it starts at 0 here, works along the cross-section, and obviously you've got the elevation on the side. So if you click on a point, any point, you get the change in elevation, where not so helpful for a surveyor, but very helpful for an engineer who's using GeoRiver to help build their model. Anyway, let's look at moving these water points. We've got a common scenario here where probably the margins of the river are very scrubby, so the surveyor hasn't been able to take the water level right at the edge of the channel. Same on this side. So what we're going to do now is just hit the edit survey data button. So hit that and you'll notice that if we click on a point now we get the full coordinates rather than the elevation and chainage. So what we're going to do here, we are going to move the cross section, that point, water point, out to the edge of the cross section here. So what we want to do is make sure the x-axis is enabled and turn off the y-axis. So you can click on that point now and we can just drag that out in line with where it needs to be. Similarly on the other side. Job done. Looks good. Now we haven't got any tops of banks on here, crest points or spill points. So very simple to do. So we'll just left click on a point, right click. We've got various options here, and we'll just drop down to this tab and we can select various things here. You've got silts, polylines, A lines, fence, gauge boards, dummy points, defences. Okay, so we need top of bank here. Click on the top of bank there, and over here we can do the same. Left click, right click, the drop down list, and there we go. If for any reason on any part of the cross section or any level or any point you want to put an invert level marker on it or a soffit marker, you can just do that here. So just hit invert marker and it will just put a marker on there for you.